Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to cut this elegant hand. Hope you can see it very well. So my measurement is going to be 20 inches. 20 inches. So I'm going to cut it in a slanting way, slanting mode. If you cut it straight, it will not come out well. So this is my 20 inches. So now I'm going to look for the width of it. The width I'm taking 7 inches or 7.5 inches. For the width I'm taking 7.5 inches. So I'm going to mark it this way. I'm marking my 7.5 inches like this. So I'm going to cut it. The 7 inches is with allowance. So I'm going to come in by 1 inch here. Then I'm measure another 1 inch there. I'll connect it like this. Why I'm coming in is that this place is small. It's not the same width with this side of it. So this is how it's going to look like. We are going to iron it very well. Place the pattern on the fabric. Iron the pattern very well. Place it on a fabric and cut. Then place a gum stay on it or a word on it. Stiffen it. Let it be strong. Cut the lining also. Sew on it and turn it over. After turning it over, I have something like a top here. All these ones are for illustration. You mark where you are going to place. Remember this one, I cut it along with the seam allowance. So you can place it at the center like this, or you can slant it a little bit. You can slant it this way, or you can place it this way, or you can slant it anyhow you want to do it. But this is the bust line. let it start from the bust line. So this is how to do it. This is how to cut it. It's very simple. What you are going to do, just stiffen it so that it can stand. So it's just about this. So I have come to the end of this tutorial. It's a very short tutorial. I've come to the end of it. So just try your own, see what you can do, see how it's going to come out. It will come out very nice. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Encourage me. It's a new channel. Bye.